Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner reviews and tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this popping twist out on my natural 4C type hair. So if you want to know how to achieve the perfect twist out for your type 4 natural C type 4 hair, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so the first thing that I'm going to do is co-wash my hair. I have worn my hair up in this high puff all week. I have been placing Eco Styling gel just a little bit on the base all week, so we have to make sure that we get all the product buildup out of my hair before we do our wash and goes. My wash and goes, what we doing, a twist out? We doing a twist out, my bad y'all. So yes, make sure before you do any hairstyle on your hair that it is freshly washed, especially if you are going to be doing a twist out, because we do want to leave it in overnight, so you don't want to have that old nasty product buildup from the week on top of your hairstyle. So today, to co-wash my hair, I'm going to be using the Maui Moisture Hibiscus Water Conditioner. This conditioner is silicone free, which is great for natural hair. It does have exotic hibiscus water, lush passion fruits, and juicy watermelon. You guys, this is one of my favorite affordable drugstore, I was about to say foundations, drugstore hair care products. I like it just because they don't use any minerals, silicones, parabens, no glutens, no sulfates, no synthetic dyes. They try to make these products as natural as possible, which I do love, and they do infuse it with a lot of water as well, which is necessary, especially if you have very, very thick natural hair like myself, 4C type natural hair. It just soaks up the moisture all the time, so you definitely need something that is going to give you moisture. And just besides the cute packaging, all of the flavors kind of like match the colors on the packaging, which is like super duper cute, and they just smell so good. I really do love this brand. Outside of the other brands that I use, it is about $4 or $5 at your local Food Lion, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart. You can pretty much find this brand at any of those type of drugstore locations. And I'm only going to use the conditioner. I do have the matching shampoo, but like I said, we're just doing a co-wash because I am about to get my hair braided up, so it's going to get washed again anyway. So we don't want to do too much to the hair, but just so that way I can get the best results with my twist out. I keep wanting to say wash and go because I really wanted to do a wash and go, but y'all, sometimes when your hair is just at this stage where it's like, it's really thick and it just does whatever it wants to do when it feels like it wants to do it, you know, I kind of got somewhere to, I have things to do this weekend, so I just want to make sure that my hair is like at its best. Not saying that my wash and goes and all that, but just, I really wanted to do a twist out. Like, I really wanted to do a twist out. So, like I said, I'm going to be using this Maui Moisture. Let me get all close so that you guys can see this packaging of the Maui Moisture. Let me use my YouTube hands. Come on, camera. Maui Moisture in the watermelon and hibiscus scent. This is the scent right here. Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and co-wash my hair with this. I'm just going to rinse it through my hair a couple times and massage my scalp and everything like that. And then I'm going to come back and move on to the next step of this twist out process. Alright y'all, so now that I went on ahead and co-washed my hair with the Maui Moisture Conditioner, I'm going to move on to detangling. You guys, this is like literally my least favorite part about washing my hair. Like, it's just, oh my goodness. If you got natural hair, especially thick natural hair, you already know the deal. Like, it is the struggle to detangle my hair. I am going to be using the Easy Detangler brush along with a wide tooth comb, so I'm going to be using both of these tools to detangle my hair. If you have not seen my review of the Easy Detangler, make sure that you go and check that video out. I will link that video to this video. I really do like using this detangler brush. I just like to use the wide tooth comb mainly for the ends. But you guys, if you haven't tried this brush, I definitely would try it out. I will try to find a link for it. And of course, everything that I am using in this video, I am going to link it down below in the description box for you guys. And you guys, I'm going to be using 3 products to actually help detangle my hair. So first, I'm going to be using the Main Choice Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydrating Conditioner. And as you all can see, I'm basically almost out of it. I really do not have that much left, so that's why I'm using a couple of different things today to help me detangle my hair. I really do like this product for detangling my hair. It does make it a whole lot easier when it comes to styling. And also another thing too, you guys, detangling your hair is going to help just make your hairstyle effortless, and it's just going to actually come out a whole lot better when you detangle your hair versus just trying to go ahead and style your hair without even doing that step. So this is the key. Having hydration and detangling, these are like the 2 key things to making your twist out popping, okay, to get it on and popping. So I'm also going to be using the Miele Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. So I'm going to have this sitting on my hair for about 30 minutes. This has biotin in it, so this is definitely going to help if you are trying to grow your hair. I really do love this rosemary mint line from Miele Organics. It smells amazing. And last but not least, I have to use my Queen Helen Cholesterol Argan Oil Hair Conditioning Cream. This is like one of the OG products. Like back in the day when my mom used to use my hair, I remember seeing this product. There is a pink version that I think that's the original one. This is the argan oil scent. But you guys, when I used to get relaxers back in the day, like I remember always seeing this product, and it has definitely helped strengthen my hair and made it a whole lot thicker as I was transitioning from relaxed to natural. So as y'all can see, I've definitely been generously using this product as well. So again, I'm also going to be using the Queen Helen Cholesterol Argan Oil Hair Conditioning Cream, or aka hair crack, no pun intended. And just to make things a whole lot easier, you guys, I'm going to be using some elastic bands and some hair clips just to clip everything out of the way while I'm trying to detangle it. And I'm also going to be just adding a little bit of water too as I go along, just because I really need this moisture to set into my hair and do what it needs to do, because my hair is already kind of like 30% dry by having that towel on it, just because my hair soaks up water like crazy. It doesn't make any sense how fast my hair be soaking up water. And you guys, comment down below your favorite products that you guys like to use when you are doing your twist outs. And also let me know if you guys prefer flat twist or if you actually like the 2-strand twist. I actually have never done a twist out on myself using flat twist, just because I'm not gonna say that I'm not that good at it. I just never tried it, so I don't know if I can do flat twist or not, but I do want to try it. That's my mom's like go-to. Like, she is bomb when she does her flat twist outs. Like, they come out so cute. So I don't know, I may need to have her like do my twist out one time for me and flat twist it. So I don't know, y'all comment down below if y'all want to see that. But then again, I don't know, y'all, my hair done got so much, like, I don't know, she really don't be liking to do my hair as much. I'm not gonna say she don't like doing it, but it's not what it used to be. My hair has grown a lot since I was a kid, so thank the Lord that my hair's been growing. But it's just grown so much, like, it's a lot for me to do it, so I already know. But yeah, so I don't know, y'all comment down below if y'all want to see my mom actually do my twist out for me and do some flat twists. Maybe we can get her to do my hair. I'm gonna use this spray bottle, you guys. I don't know where exactly I got this from. I know my mom ordered it off of Amazon, so I will try to find the link to this. But I like that it doesn't just spray directly out like a stream. It kind of mists it. It sprays as a mist. So I like how it does that, so that way, you know, you can kind of control better how much water you're using versus a regular squirt bottle that just kind of sprays out. So I'm going to do this one section for you guys on camera, and I'm going to kind of speed through the rest of it. When I apply the products, I like to apply it to the whole entire section. That's one thing that I have learned, that it is better to apply the products to the entire section versus trying to do every little strand, so that way you don't have too much product. There is such a thing as putting too much product on your hair, especially when your hair is, even though your hair may be super thick and soaks up product, you can overdo it. And that's one thing that I have done in the past, just putting too much product just because I thought my hair needed so much moisture. And one thing that I have learned the more water you use, the better. So you don't even have to use as much product if you use enough water. So that's why I said for this part, I definitely wanted my hair not soaking wet, but just damp. So as you all can see, it is coming out like a mist. You can't even see it, but you can hear it. It's spraying out like a mist. So that's definitely what we want. So yeah, that's what we want. So first I'm gonna go in with the Main Choice Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydrating Conditioner. And I don't know why I turned it back right when I know I'm at the bottom. That's how you know I don't be playing, y'all. Look how much of that's gone. I really do like this product a lot. So I'm just gonna rub it through my hands a little bit. And again, this is the Main Choice Easy on the Curls Hydrating Conditioner, Detangling Conditioner. And I'm just gonna spread that throughout the hair, definitely making sure that I'm concentrating it on the ends, because the ends of your hair need the most love and tender care. Then I would say the roots and then the shaft of your hair. Your ends of your hair is the oldest portion of your hair, so that's another reason why you need to be generous with the product. If you want to be generous with the product, definitely make sure it's on the ends and then on the roots for sure. And then next I'm going to go in with the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Hydrating Strengthening Hair Mask. And as y'all can see, this almost gone too. So I'm just showing you guys, like, I really do be using these products. I'm not just saying that they're good. I actually know that they're good because I use them. So just wanted to throw that out there. So this is how much. Like I said, not too much. You don't need a lot because we are going to rinse this out anyway. I'm just sitting it into the hair. Like I said, making sure that we're concentrating mainly on the ends and on the roots, but still getting the rest of the hair as well. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with the Queen Helen Cholesterol Argan Oil Conditioning Hair Cream. And y'all can see I've been definitely using that one too. And with this one, I definitely could say you do get a lot for how much it costs. It definitely isn't that costly, but it's just a lot of product. I've had that jar for quite some I've had that jar for quite some time now. And then this is how much of the Queen Helen hair conditioning cream that I'm using. So to detangle my hair, you guys, I'm going to start with my wide tooth comb because I'm going to work with the ends, and then I'm going to work my way up using the Easy Detangler brush. I just find that doing it from the ends of your hair to the root is just a whole lot more easier, and it's also better for your hair because, like I said, the ends of your hair is the oldest part, so it's kind of breaking off anyway, so it's kind of a little bit more tangled up versus, you know, trust me, detangling your hair from the root all the way down one time, you do that one time and I promise you, you're not going to do it ever again. So I just like to go through my ends a couple times, and let me get a little bit closer so that way you guys can really see my hair and see what I'm doing. So yeah, once my comb is effortlessly going through the ends, then I like to switch over to the Easy Detangler. And you see how that brush is gliding through my hair? But as I go further up, it's not gliding as much. So that's how you could just tell that your hair is detangling. So I'm just going to work my way up a little bit at a time, detangling my hair. And I'm making sure to get the front and the back of this section just because I want to make sure every single strand of this section is detangled. I don't want no strand left behind. So we got to make sure that we are detangling this hair all the way through. All the way through. And you'll be able to tell, like, the more easy that it is for your brush or your comb to go through your hair, that's how you know that it's been fully detangled. it should just be able to glide through just like that, no effort at all. Now that I have my section detangled, what I'm going to do now is just twist that section. So I'm just going to split the section in half like this, and I'm just going to twist it. I'm not going to twist it too tight, but I'm just twisting it enough so that way that hair is out the way. And I'm just going to use a clip to just clip the end and just get it out the way so that way I can work on the rest of the sections. I'm just going to take my banana clip and clip it right down the section. So I'll finish this section, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the sections and then come back and move on to the next step. Alright y'all, so now that I have all my sections twisted and detangled, I'm just gonna use a plastic shower cap and I'm just gonna place that over top of my head and just let this conditioner and detangler sit in my head for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna actually prep my hair for the twist out that I'm actually going to complete tomorrow morning. So I'll be back in a second, you guys, to actually put this on, and then we'll move on to the next step. Y'all, so it's been exactly 30 minutes, actually a little bit over 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash out the deep conditioner that we put in. And before I do that, I just want to make sure if you guys are enjoying this video and learning something new about how to successfully do your twist out, definitely make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. So we're gonna cross our fingers and just, you know, go with it.